puppies. Look, man.
They're getting water.
So, like, I swear that is from that place that you took me that was like 2 miles away. When we went to your friend's house, when you picked up that donation check for that charity thing that you were doing.
There's not enough water right there. No, they're getting it like out of that big tank at the Forest Service.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah. Yeah. The thing that looks like that. You know? They've got like no water pressure. Oh, it's back.
Oh, it's back. You're so... I don't see where he's at. He must still be lowered.
Yeah, look at the sun. Put that in your video.
Oh, wow.
Glorious. That's Jesus. That's the Lord showing us He's working.
You guys got more sticks than I do, you spoiled puppies. See, look at all that smoke. I figured he'd be coming up. I still don't see him.
Wait a second.
Wait, I hear something from way over there now. Is it? This is the first time, though, that I've seen the blue sky.
Oh, geez, huh?
I know. Oh, now it's getting windy. That's not good. Isn't it supposed to rain tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am. Jesus.
Yeah, but it said I saw that there's going to be lightning with it. And that's not
Let
good.
rain, let pour. The Lord will
Well, I don't think he's coming back, but man, I wish I could have started that video before. Man, because watching him drop that water was crazy. Oh wait, I hear the chopper again. Or did he just land? Maybe he just...
Maybe it landed dumping its load instead of putting it on fire.
Seems like maybe it takes a while. No, because I remember when last time I was watching them reload, they were super fast. All right, well, we'll end this, and this is the update for right now. Okay, wait. I'm going to ask you, did they get those fires out in Christmas Valley? No? Gonna have to pray for that.